Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss importance of industries in national economy. This comes under the chapter 4 manufacturing industry of contemporary India 2, that is geography of class 10 social science. So today the topic is importance of industry in national economy. So let's have a look on it. First of all, we will discuss the definition of manufacturing industry. What is manufacturing industry? It refers to the processing of raw materials into finished goods. That means any kind of agriculturally produced goods, when it comes into a finished good, a utilizable goods with the help of technology or machineries, that activities will be treated as manufacturing industry. Example, there is given an example here, that is wheat aromatic flour. That means wheat is a agriculturally produced crops, wheat transferred into flour. How? With the help of technology, with the help of machineries. And these activity, only these places, these activity is deals with the manufacturing industry. It comes under secondary economic activity because it is dealing with the utilization, with the technology, with machineries, and with the production of new goods. That is why this will be treated as secondary economic activity. So this is the basic definition of it. Now come to the point, what are the importance? There are basically 5 importance of manufacturing industry in case of, especially in perspective of Indian national economy. So what are the 5 points? Reducing pressure on agriculture. Whatever pressure is created on agriculture, that is totally dependent on the structure of on economy of a country. So due to the increasing of manufacturing industry, it reduces the pressure, the dependent population on agricultural sector. So it is a big help for a country to become developed. Next, second one, job creation and poverty eradication. Now, near about 75% in 2001 was dependent on India. In India, 75% of total population. Now, it has come to 60%, and India has been little bit developed. Why? Because just because of this industrial sector, manufacturing industrial sectors has created a great job opportunity for Indians and for common people, which has helped to eradication of poverty, because agricultural sector cannot boost up economy unilaterally. With that, if a country wants to develop, then it needs a manufacturing industrial sector. So job creation and poverty eradication is also a great importance of this sector behind the national economy. Third one, export and import of goods. It helps the export and import of goods. Various types of goods like utilizing coal, manganese, different types of raw materials. Manufacturing industries are producing different types of goods like heavy machineries, like wares, like toys, like jewelry goods, etc. Whatever we are exporting to other developed countries, and also importing different types of raw materials and goods from other countries. So which helps the exchange of national economy and foreign exchange, which also boosts up our national economy. So it is there is a great importance of manufacturing industry in case of export and import of goods. Fourth one, prosperity and diversity is boosted up. I have already told in the second point that if a country wants to develop, then it needs industrial sector. So prosperity and diversity of a country, prosperity and diversity of an economy of a country totally dependent on its industrial sector. That is why iron ore industry is also called the backbone of India. Why? Because it has a great importance on various sectors of Indian economy. So prosperity and diversity of an economy of a country is dependent on manufacturing industry. So it helps the increasing part of manufacturing industry helps to boost up the prosperity and diversity of national economy, countries like India. And the last one, final point is helps the subordinate sectors. What are the subordinate sectors? The tertiary sectors and basically the primary sectors. Commercial farming is totally dependent on this manufacturing industry. Different types of commercial crops are produced based on manufacturing industry. Food parks are being established based on the manufacturing industries. So manufacturing industries helps primary sectors of economic activity like different types of agricultural system, as well as the tertiary sectors like bank, transport and communication. All these things, all these activities are directly or indirectly dependent on manufacturing industries. Okay, so these are the basic 5 points, which these are the basic 5 importance of manufacturing industries on national economy. Thank you.